This is your Ballet Burn Slim and Sculpted Arms and Legs Workout. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this Ballet Burn today. We're going to be focusing on slimming down and sculpting your arms and legs. As this is a ballet-inspired workout, you don't need anything except yourselves. We're going to start with our feet nice and wide in a second position, toes pointing to the corners of your room. We're going to start with some grand pliés. So plie and extend back up. You can add your arms, reaching them in front of you, creating a nice circle through the arms. Keep your chest lifted, drive out of your heels, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Now you're going to hold your plie. You're going to pulse down. Do tiny little squeezes through the arms and legs. Notice that my middle fingers are squeezing in towards each other. Make sure you keep those elbows lifted. And now we're going to lift the arms up and down along with your heels. So you're going to lift together and lower. Keep drawing those abs in and up and focus on your posture here, growing taller through the upper body. Now keep those arms up and take tiny little pulses down through the legs. Really press your knees out. See if you can get a little deeper now. Work into a challenge zone. Your legs might even feel like they're starting to shake, and that's okay. Just keep breathing. Now hold it here and sweep your arms in and out. Arms are coming into a high fifth position and then out to a high V. I have to say, Oliver looks very regal today. Now press those hands down as you lengthen through your legs and lower your heels down. Take a plie and an arabesque. So we take that same second position plie and then press off your heel and turn towards the side to lift one leg behind you and your opposite arm forward. Because it is graceful, it looks easy, but it's actually quite challenging. But do your best to make this as elegant as possible. Now hold your arabesque, and I want you to ripple your arms away, pressing through your palms, letting a lot of energy flow through your arms. Do your best to keep that balance, keep drawing those abs in and up, and now we're going to hinge forward. So you're going to lift yourself up and forward, up and lift, and you can tap your back toe to the floor to find your balance as you stand back up. All you're doing is hinging forward through your hips. Try to keep a soft bend in your supporting knee. Now hold it here, soften that front knee more, and lift that back foot off the floor. You're going to tap your hips and reach your hands back. So you're squeezing into your triceps. If you feel good, you're going to add your back leg as well. You're going to bend together and extend together. Keep your elbows high. Really squeeze and open up through your collarbones. Now reach that toe long and press those hands back as fast as you can. Really squeeze, press, press, press. Now reach a little further and release to lower down. Let's open it back out to second, and then take your arabesque to the other side. Take a deep plie and reach to your arabesque. And make sure you take a deep plie in second, bend those knees, drop your tailbone down, and then press the floor away as you lift yourself up and extend that back leg. Remember, there's a lot of poise that goes into this, so be as graceful as possible. Now hold your arabesque and ripple your arms. Press those arms away. Make it pretty. Now we're going to take it into our penché. So I'd like you to hinge forward at your hip, reach your front hand towards the floor, and extend back up and tap your back toe to the floor for balance. This move is amazing for toning up your inner and outer thighs, your hamstrings, your glutes, and your lower back, and it challenges your core strength and stability. Now, keep your weight on your front foot, lift that back foot off the floor, soften that front knee as much as you can, and this time I'd like you to take your palms up to the ceiling. So now you're going to bend your elbows and bring your hands towards your shoulders and press your palms up to the sky. See if you can add your back leg, bending in together and pressing it out together. Now hold that leg long and just press your hands as fast as you can. Squeeze into the back of the arm. Really find your triceps. We're going to tone up those bingo wings and release. So now bring your feet into a first position, heels together and big toes a few inches apart. You're making a small V with your feet. Reach your arms forward as if you're hugging around a big tree. Hold your plie. And you're going to pop your heels up and squeeze your elbows down. Good. Keep squeezing and popping those heels. Now hold those heels up and do little reaches forward. And make sure you brace those abs so you don't lose your balance. Fantastic. Now we're going to take it into some bicep curls. Squeeze your hands towards your shoulders. And now we're going to add some legs. I want you to deepen into your plie and then extend back up. You're going to go down, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, guys. Now extend your legs long, palms up to the sky, and I want you to crisscross the arms and open them out to the side. Crisscross open, crisscross open. Now you're going to add the legs. Plie as you crisscross and extend your legs as you open your arms out to the side. Crisscross and plie and extend and open the arms. Well done, guys. Your legs should be on fire now. Now lower your heels down and take your feet just wider than hip distance apart. Take your arms out to the side and alternate flipping your palms up and down. Once you got this, see if you can add your rib cage moving side to side as well. Try not to think about it, just have fun and let your body move. And reach those arms out to the side, grow taller, and release. Bring your feet back to first, take a big plie, reach those arms up to the sky, and lower down. Do it again. Big plie, inhale, reach up, exhale, release, lower down. And again. And last one. And relax. Roll those shoulders down and back and shake it out. Well done, guys. That was a fantastic ballet burn. I hope you enjoyed the workout as much as myself and Oliver. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you never miss my weekly workouts every single Monday. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Can't wait to see you next week. Bye, guys.